Hey guys, it's civil engineering tutorials. Here I'll show you 3D house modeling in AutoCAD. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss new updates. So in previous video I created 3D walls and door openings. So in this video I'll show how to create window openings and Chajja. So let's start. So first go to layer, create a new layer as 3D window and change the color if you want and make the 3D window as current layer and also turn off all layers except 3D window. So first go to layer properties. So here I have already turned off all layers. So create a new layer as 3D window. Change the color. Now make it current layer. Okay. Next go to visual style and click on 2D wireframe. So the visual style changed. Now go to layer and turn on window and Chajja layer. Window and Chajja. Alright. So this is the window and Chajja layer. So to create 3D window, we need to take rectangle command. So give command REC, enter rectangle. Now specify first point here and second point here. Okay. Now draw another rectangle here. So here height of window is 4 feet and 6 inches. So we have to move these rectangles 2 feet and 6 inches from below. So select give command move, specify base point here and make the direction upward and give the height 2 feet and 6 inch. 2 feet and 6 inch, enter. Okay, now we need to extrude this. So shortcut key of extrude command is EXT. So EXT, enter, select this, give the direction upward and give the height 4 feet and 6 inch, enter. This is the window height. Okay. Now select this, give the direction upward, give the height 4 feet and 6 inch. Select, give the height 4 feet and 6 inch, enter. Alright. Now we need to make this Chajja. So give a rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here, second point here. Now draw another rectangle here and other one here. Okay. Now move these 3 rectangles to this point, means to lintel level. So lintel level height is 7 feet from below. So select, move, give the distance 7 feet, enter. Okay. Now we have to extrude this 3 inch. So select EXT, enter, select, give the direction upward 3 inch, enter. Okay. Now go to visual style, set it. This is how it looks like. Now go to 2D wireframe again. Now we need to move these 2 small rectangles 3 inch in upward direction, means to this point. So select, move, give the distance 3 inch, enter. Okay. Now extrude EXT, enter, select the small rectangle and give the direction downward. So for downward give -1. So we have to extrude -1 feet, enter. Okay. So do same thing here. Extrude, select, give the direction downward and give the distance -1 feet, enter. Okay. Now go to visual style, click on shaded. This is the Chajja. Now go back to 2D wireframe. Now change the view to AC isometric. Okay, here make this Chajja like before. Procedure is same. So draw a rectangle here. Now draw another here and another here. Now select 3 rectangles in upward direction and give the distance 7 feet. Enter. Now extrude. Give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Now move these small rectangles. Give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Okay. Now extrude this extrude this rectangle and give the direction downward and give the distance minus 1 feet. Enter. For downward we are giving minus. So extrude, select, give the direction downward and give the distance minus 1 feet. Enter. Okay. Now these two windows are same size, so copy this window and paste here. Now select, copy, specify base point here and paste here. Okay. So now we need to create this window. So draw a rectangle here. Same procedure. Now move this. Give the distance. Move this. Give the distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now extrude this. EXT. Enter. Give the height 4 feet and 6 inch. Enter. Now draw a rectangle here for Chajja. So draw another rectangle here and another here. Now move these 3 rectangles to this point, means 7 feet. 7 feet. Enter. Now extrude this rectangle. EXT. Enter. Select. Give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Now move these 2 rectangles to give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Okay. Now extrude. Select. Give the distance, direction downward and give the distance minus 1 feet. Enter. Now do same thing here. Downward minus 1 feet. Enter. Okay. So now this Chajja covers the door. So delete this Chajja. We have to create this Chajja, so draw a rectangle here. Okay. Now another rectangle here and other one is here. Now move 3 rectangles in upward direction and give the distance 7 feet. Enter. Okay. Now give extrude command. EXT. Give the direction upward 3 inch. Enter. Now move these 2 rectangles in upward direction and give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Now extrude. Select. Give the direction downward. Give the distance minus 1 feet. Enter. And select here minus 1 feet. Enter. Okay. Now go to visual style. Click on Shaded. Now it looks like this. Alright. Now go back to 2D wireframe. Now copy this 3D window and Chajja by taking reference 2D window. Okay. Now change the view to NW isometric Now rotate this. This window size is same as this window. So Chajja of this window is not copied properly. So undo this. Now copy this window and Chajja again. Take the reference point as 2D window. Copy. Okay. Now change the view to any isometric. Okay. Now rotate this. Okay. Now copy the window and Chajja by taking base point here and paste here. Okay. Now change the visual style. Shaded. So this is the Chajja. Now go back to 2D wireframe. Now make this window and Chajja. So draw a rectangle. And draw a rectangle here. Draw another rectangle here. Draw another rectangle here. Now move the window in upward direction. Give the distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Enter. Okay, now extrude. Give the direction upward and give the height 4 feet and 6 inch. Enter. Okay. Now move 3 rectangles in upward direction. Give the distance 7 feet. Enter. Now extrude this. Give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Now move these small rectangles in upward direction and give the distance 3 inch. Enter. Okay. Now extrude. Give downward direction -1 feet. Enter. And extrude. Give downward direction -1 feet. Enter. Now go to visual style. Shaded. Okay. So go back to 2D wireframe. Okay. Now copy this window and Chajja by taking reference here. And change the view as NW isometric and rotate this. Okay. Now copy this and specify base point here and paste here. Now this is also same window, so paste here. Okay. Now change the visual style. Shaded. Okay. Now change to SW isometric. Okay. Now I see all views by orbiting. So 3DO. So here I forgot to make a ventilator. So go to 2D wireframe. Change the view SW isometric. So this is the ventilator. So go to NW isometric. Now draw a rectangle here. Now move this 7 feet in upward direction. Give the distance 7 feet. Enter. Okay. Now extrude this EXT. Enter. Select. Give the direction upward and give the height 2 feet. Enter. So this is the ventilator. Now change the visual style shaded. Okay. Now change the view SW isometric. Okay. Now we need to subtract the window. So give command subtract SU. SU is the shortcut key of subtract. SU. Enter. Select the wall. Enter. Select the window. Enter. Now see, the window is open. Now subtract other windows. So SU. Enter. Select walls. Enter. Now select all windows. This window, next this window, here this window, then select this window, this window. Now select this window, select this ventilator and press enter. Now all windows are open. Now see all side views by orbiting. So 3DO, enter. Now see the all side views. So all windows and charges are already created. Now go to SW isometric. Now go to layer and turn off 2D wall and Chajja layer. Okay. So like this you can create 3D window openings in Chajja. So in next video I will show how to create window and door and the roof. Now if you like this video, then subscribe the channel for new updates. Thank you for watching.